South Wirral News. Your local news first.
You know, this street, it's now the River Talbot rather than Talbot Avenue. I expect there's a few more rivers at the top of the road. They're making their way very slowly and carefully, creating a wave machine just with their cars. He's driving extremely slowly. Oh, look at that one there! Wow, how deep? And just look at that! Look at that! Wow, it's a river. It's a river. Here we go. Now we'll be pushed onto this, yeah. There you go. Now it's very deep at this point there. I'm actually in water here. It's like as if I'm in a river. Quite literally, as you can see. So you can imagine what a more general flooding would do to an area than this, because you would literally be in water. There you go, the deciding going various directions, as you can see, because it's just too wet down there, isn't it? It's just exceptionally wet. Yeah, that's the Royal Oak car park. That's become a collection of water that's more like a little mini lake or swimming pool there. This has all happened within half an hour as well. That's how long it's been raining for, approximately. It's all flowing down Lees Lane. How fast flowing it is. Hitting this area here. Off water. No, it's still doing that there.